Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, I am going to tell you how to find the median from the less than ogive. We are also going to verify that result by using the formula method. So this is the second question from the exercise 14.4 of the chapter Statistics from the book NCERT Mathematics. The question says, during medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. So their weights have been recorded in the tabular column and the data given to you is like this. And what we need to do? We need to draw a less than type ogive for this given data. And also we need to find the median weight from the graph and verify the result by the formula. So let us start the question. You can observe here the data given to you is already in less than type. So while writing the upper limit, you need not change it to less than as we did in the previous question. So directly you can copy it from the table. And I have already told in the previous video, whenever the data given to you is in less than or below than type, then the frequency that is being provided to you is not the normal frequency, it is the cumulative frequency. So for this question, we need not find the cumulative frequency as well, because the data is in less than type and the frequency is obviously the cumulative frequency. So let us just copy it from here. 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, then we have 35, right? So we got the two values, and obviously you know the x-axis of the less than type ogive will be the upper limit, and what about the y-axis? It will be the cumulative frequency. And you can observe here, I have already drawn the axis for you. We have taken this because I am going to skip some of the number before, so I have drawn it like this. And on the y-axis, cumulative frequency, you can observe it starts from 0 and it ended till 35. So it would be better if I am taking the class size 5, 5, if I am going to take the axis like this. So let us mark all the point on the graph. So for 38 it is 0, then for 40 it is 3, then you can observe for 42 it is 5, then for 44 9, right? So let me just mark that. Then for 46 it is 14, then for 48 how much is that? It is 28, right? Then for 50 how much it is? 32, little above than 30. Then for 55 how much it is? I mean for 52 it is 52. So for 52 how much it is? 35. So let us just mark that. Now let me just draw a smooth curve joining all these points. Okay, so you got the curve like this. Now how to find the median from this curve? So to find the median, we need to understand the median class, and for finding the median class, we need to find n by 2. n by 2. What is n? n is the summation of fi, and I have already discussed the summation of fi will be always equal to the last term of the cumulative frequency, that is 35. So 35 divided by 2, which is equals to 17.5. So what is this? 17.5, it is n by 2. So let us just mark n by 2. Then if you will draw a perpendicular line, then you are going to get somewhere here. So what is the median you have got? You have got the median from the graph 46.5. So this is the way to find the median from the less than type ogive. You need to find n by 2, whatever the value you will be getting, search that value in the cumulative frequency axis, and then you just have to draw a line joining the graph and draw a perpendicular line which is meeting the x-axis. The point where the line meets on the x-axis will be the median value. So now let us verify the median through the formula of the median. So for that we need to just convert this type of class interval into the normal class interval. For that, the first class interval will be similar to that itself. Then from the second one, the lower limit of the class interval will be the upper limit of the previous class interval, as I have already discussed in the previous video. Please visit the previous videos as well and watch that. And the upper limit of the class interval will be, you will be getting from the question, that is 40 for second class interval, right? Then the lower limit of the next class interval is 40. Upper limit you can get it from the question, that is 42. In the same way, write for all these values. And whenever I have just told you, you will be having the question in less than type or more or else in below than type, then you will be having the frequency, that is cumulative frequency, right? So in that case, you need to find the normal frequency, right? So how do we find the normal frequency? The first frequency will be, then the second cumulative frequency is 3. How do we find the normal frequency? We will subtract this minus the number before. So it is 3 minus 0, which is equals to 3. Then we have 5. 5 minus the number before it is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Then you have 9 minus 5, right? So 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. Then you have 14 minus 9. How much it will be? 5. Then you have 28 minus 14, which is equals to 14, right? Then 32 minus 28, which is equals to 4. 35 minus 32, which is equals to 3. So if you are adding all the frequency, that is summation fi will be equals to 35, right? You can pause the video and you can add it and just check it is 35 or not. So now let us just find the median class. How do we find? We will find first n by 2. What is n? 35. So 35 by 2, which is equals to 17.5. So we need to search this in the cumulative frequency column, the number which is just above 17.5 in the frequency column. So where is that number? You can observe it is 28. So let us now mark the median class. Okay, so this is our median class for this particular question. Now let us write that median class is equals to how much? What is the value here? 46 to 48. Now what are the other terms? We have L, which is equals to 46. We have CF. What is the cumulative frequency? You will be writing the cumulative frequency of the class which is just before the median class. So it is 14, right? Then you have F. What is F? F is the frequency of the median class. So it is 14. Then you have H. What is H? H is the class size, right? So how do we find that? Upper limit minus the lower limit. So you can take any of the class interval and you can find that. So let me just take the second one, that is 40. Upper limit is 40 there and lower limit is 38. So if you subtract, how much do you get? It is 2, right? Now let me write the formula for median. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus cf whole divided by f into h. So what is L? 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus cf. Cf is 14 for you for this particular question, divided by f is also 14 into h. H is 2, right? So you can observe 2 ones are and 2 sevens are, it is going to get cancelled, right? So 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, it is nothing but 3.5 divided by 7. Now whenever you are getting the decimal and you are about to divide that, it is little bit difficult. You'll find it little bit difficult to divide the decimal. So what I usually do, you can multiply and divide with some number. Which number is that? You need to find the number of terms after the decimal. So you can observe after the decimal there is only one number, so you need to multiply and divide with 10. If after the decimal there are two numbers, then you would have multiplied and divide with 100. If after the decimal three numbers are there and you want to convert it to normal number, then you need to divide and multiply with 1000. So if I divide and multiply with 10, how much I will get? 3.5 into 10 is 35. 7 into 10 is 70. Now this is simple number. You can just divide it in the working column. 35 divided by 70. Right? It will not go. So 0 point, let me put here 1 0. Then how many times it will go? 5 times, right? So how much did you get? 0.5. So 46 plus 3.5 divided by 7, you got 0.5, right? So answer is 46.5. So you can observe that from the graphical method also you got the median 46.5, and also if using the formula you got the median 46.5. There may be variation for some point, for after some decimal you may get something different value, but it should not be crossing much. So that's it for today's class. In our next video, we will be starting a series of coordinate geometry. So you can please watch those videos as well. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.